Today's video is all about face masks that actually work. This is a very popular one. Just gently massage it. Now this one will give you a natural glow in the morning. Trust me, you will love it. Serum in these are so thick that it stays overnight even with AC on, and it helped me reduce the acne marks also. Hey beautiful people, how are you feeling today? So today's video is all about face masks that actually work. These masks I have tried over months or years and I trust them with my skin, and I will recommend them to you so you can try them out too. So let's begin. First one is this one from Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. Now you must have known this is a very popular one, and I have been using this for the past 1.5 or 2 years, I think, since they have brought it into the market. Now I don't regularly use this. I use this when I get small bumps, small reddish bumps, and it helps me clear them overnight. Trust me, this one works like it works wonders. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to clean your face and then apply a generous amount all over your face. Keep it for 10 minutes. You do not need to let it sit for half an hour or 40 minutes. Just wait for it to dry. Then you just wet your face, and then use a cotton pad and gently rub it all over your skin so it can work. Then wash it off, and then proceed with your nighttime skincare routine, and then sleep overnight, and it will give you clear skin in the morning. This is so good, so good. So let's go to the next one. Next one is this one from M Caffeine. Now M Caffeine is a brand that I have a love and hate relationship about. Like their serums, I am not a big fan of their serums, but their face masks are so good. Now I have used this one in the past also, and I've recently repurchased this because it has worked for me. Now it is their Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Face Mask. Now this is an exfoliating mask. You need to apply it over clean skin. So you need to wash your face, apply this mask a generous amount all over your face, and you let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then what you need to do is add some water to it and then massage it onto your face. There are these small grains, I don't know if you can see it, that will help give a physical exfoliation. Now I am not a big fan of physical exfoliation and physical scrubs. I know they are not too good. This one has really even particles. This one is not that harsh on your skin, and I really love it. Like you don't need to go, just gently massage it, and it will mildly exfoliate your skin, and then wash it off. This has given me such good results. I have repurchased and I will keep repurchasing, and I hope you try this one out. Okay, and let me know in the comments if you like it. So next one is again from Dot & Key. This one is their AHA exfoliating mask. Now this is a sleeping mask. You need to leave it overnight. What you need to do is you need to do your nighttime skincare routine as usual, avoiding any actives. Okay, the day you use this one, you should avoid using any actives in your serums or anything. Avoid it. Do a simple nighttime skincare routine, and then apply this all over your face, a generous amount, and leave it overnight. And then in the morning you can wash it off with normal water. No need to use a face wash. Let's go on to the next. I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, but these ones from Face Shop, I have used this since the COVID times. I don't recommend using sheet mask in your routine on a daily basis, but when you need, like when you're going out and you need that glow, So what you can do is, before doing your makeup, you can do a sheet mask. It will give you the glow. And I love their blueberry pomegranate and their red ginseng one. I was suffering from such bad acne during the COVID times because of stress and working schedule. And as you know, I'm a doctor and I had to do COVID duties. So we had to wear PPEs for 12-hour shifts, and it gave me such bad breakouts, and these masks really helped me. So I don't know if it will work the same way for you, but it has worked wonders for me and I love it, and I will keep recommending it to people. I also like to use these sheet masks when I shave my face. So after shaving my face, I always apply aloe vera gel, a thick layer of it, and when it dries, I apply a sheet mask and I keep it for half an hour, and then I massage the serum into my face and I leave it like that. I give my skin rest from any other actives or use any other skincare that night. I only use aloe vera gel and then the sheet mask, and then I'll remove the sheet mask and sleep with the serum on my face overnight. So the serum in these are so thick that it stays overnight even with AC on. Now one thing is, this serum, when it dries, it becomes a little sticky. You may not like that experience, so I thought of warning you. Otherwise it works wonders and you can definitely try it. So that's all for today, and let me know in the comments if you have used any of this and loved or hated it. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with a friend. Watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Love you. Bye.